Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a garage door easily. So let's get right into it. So first of all, let's make a structure. So let's get some white concrete and put it 3 blocks up. And now what we're gonna need to do is put a sticky piston downwards like this, and we're gonna place 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the fifth. Now again the white concrete. Here we go. So now let's just try to hide this a bit from both ways. Now what we need to do is just put a redstone dust all over here. So let's just break some of these blocks and make a stair type. And now the redstone dust. Okay. And this is half of our work has been done. So now what we need to do is put our levers. So before that, let's just try to hide this too. Uh, like this. I guess, yep, like this. So I'm gonna place my lever right here. As you can see, it's working the piston. So what next we're gonna do is just put a spruce trapdoor all over this. Yep, we have put a spruce trapdoor all over this. So we're just gonna break the ground in the middle up to 2 blocks, and what we're gonna do is just put some redstone torches. This would activate the spruce door when they come down with the piston. So now just cover them up with blocks. Okay, let's test it out, guys. So as you can see, our garage door is complete. This was pretty much for this tutorial. It was quite easy and you can implement this quite fast. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.